Hi guys, Jan and Lily here for a new Yum Yum adventure. Today we are in London Chinatown and we're going to stuff ourselves with some delicious dumplings. Let's eat!
Located in Chinatown on Lisle Street, Beijing Dumpling stood out from other restaurants around due to their large windows, which are letting you have a glimpse of the chefs busily preparing their dumplings. Although the dumplings are the main focus, they also serve a variety of other Chinese dishes. Once inside, the seating area was understated, which gave it an authentic look. From our table, we were able to see the front kitchen and all the dumpling preparation steps, from the filling, wrapping, and steaming.
We were so excited to come here, but we were a bit disappointed because they have this special seafood supreme dumpling or supreme seafood dumpling, something like this. They only make 50 a day, and we just walked in at the first opening at 11:30 on a Sunday. Unfortunately, the waitress told us that they were out of seafood dumplings, so we're gonna have some other dumplings today, so Xiao Long Bao and the regular ones. So something you really love to eat in Chinatown are Ho Fun Noodles, stir-fried with beef. These ones are stir-fried. I call it dry. It's not dry as per se. It's more about they did not put a lot of sauce in there. But the taste is great every time. It's very smoky because it's been stir-fried in a bog, and you can smell this burnt taste, like slightly burnt taste. Should be lovely. Let's start with a little piece of beef. Beef is tender, very smoky. That great bog taste, lovely. Let's add some more of these noodles. Oh, and a little bit of spring onions as well. It's all smoky. One of my favorite dishes here. We've had stir-fried Ho Fun Noodles in many places, and every time they were great. This one is definitely one of the best we've had as well. So it's very good, very smoky, that burnt taste again, which I really love, which I really enjoy on a pork dish. And inside you can find some plain Ho Fun Noodles, some beef. I think you can have as well some bean sprouts, spring onions, and onion slices. So overall, it's a very simple dish, but very efficient, very good.
So we got here some pan-fried pork dumplings. And just look at the dumpling, nicely fried, golden brown. Yeah, you can definitely smell the oil all over here. It looks so damn good and looks very crispy. Let's put that dumpling crispiness to the test. 10 out of 10 for crispiness, man. Pretty good. And which is good is that it's only one part of the dumpling that's really fried, like dripping in oil, but the other side of it, more plain. I'm actually only eating the skin at the moment, so I didn't get to eat the filling, but I'm getting there. Let's try a bigger bite. The pork is very juicy, very tender in there. I can see like some chives, some other veggies in there. Really good mix, I'd say. Taste is good, but I always love to add some bit of chili oil or some vinegar with it. So let's spice things up.
Chili, 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 chili.
A tiny bit of chili, a tiny bit more, a lot more. That looks good. Let's try that. A lot better with chili oil. A lot better. I won't say it was bland at first, but with the chili, I just like the spiciness of it. Very good. So I do recommend trying with the chili oil.
Okay, I'm gonna start with the pan-fried side. Very crispy. But I do agree it's missing a bit of chili. And just gonna take this beautiful chili oil. Now it's gonna be interesting. Ah. I'm still waiting for the cake. I think I need more. Ah. Now we're talking. I love that little hit. Wonderful. Whoever invented the chili oil should be rewarded somehow. Wow. I really do like this one. The skin is a bit thicker than the Xiao Long Bao. And it's crispier. I mean, it's normal. It's been pan-fried. But it's lovely.
So continuing our Xiao Long Bao discovery, we have another one, which is the spicy pork Xiao Long Bao. As you can see, this one has a tiny dust of chili on top, so that you can know it's a spicy pork Xiao Long Bao. Nice one. From the outside, doesn't look too different from the other ones that we ate, but I think it's gonna be different when you eat it. Let's try it just like that. You do feel the chili inside the meat. Not too overpowering either. It adds that kick that the other one didn't have. But I prefer the other one with the chili oil. This one's really not too bad. If you like spicy stuff, that is.
I'm gonna get a spicy pork Xiao Long Bao and try to bit into it, see if there's a lot of soup or not. Interestingly, it's a bit drier than the Xiao Long Bao they're used to. There's not much soup in there. Right? Tastes good. I really do wish they had a bit more soup in that. See, usually, if you've seen our other videos, when we eat Xiao Long Bao, we put a mess everywhere on the table. It's leaking in the spoon. Check this video here where we eat some dim sum in Chinatown. See, no soup. Okay, but I need something else. Check. Another spicy pork dumpling. Oh, with a bit of chili oil. This is a nice cake and a lot. Nice. That's very nice.
The next one on my list is the crab meat and pork Xiao Long Bao. So what are Xiao Long Bao? Just to give a simple explanation, they are dumplings that are filled with soup and some delicious meat filling in there. So you need to be careful when you eat them because the soup dripping is a real issue here. So let's see how we can eat that without making too much of a mess out of it. So this is how it looks like, this one with crab meat. What is cool in this restaurant, to differentiate all the Xiao Long Bao that you order, they put on top some tiny fish or crab roll on top just to make a difference. So this one you can clearly see, it's gonna be crab taste. Let's try it. Definitely some soup dripping down. The soup inside is very good. It's really crabby. I like it. Don't really feel the pork in the soup. More like seafood. I think one big bite should be better to eat this. Let's see. This one is much better than the other one. I definitely prefer the crab meat and pork Xiao Long Bao. And then the pan fried. Really tasty. The crab meat I think is more prominent than the taste of the pork. But I do love both to be fair, so all the best for me. The skin is really soft, very good. It's not crunchy obviously because it's pan fried, but nicely steamed, very soft, and very very tasty. Any sauce? Tastes pretty good, but I would say I want to try it with some vinegar because dumplings go so well with vinegar. I might have been a bit generous on the vinegar at the heavy end. I'm pretty sure it's going to still taste good. Yeah, it's kind of swimming in vinegar now. It's alright. Actually, that's good. Even though it was swimming in there, vinegar is not too strong, so not overpowering the crab and pork meat. Oh, I'm so glad you didn't like ruin everything. Oh my god, I was like, too much vinegar might ruin like the taste of it. I would feel only the vinegar, but not at all. Still tastes amazing.
Now for the delicacy, we have the crab meats and pork dumpling, Xiao Long Bao. You know, as I mentioned earlier, we came for the supreme seafood dumpling, but they didn't have any today, so this is as close as we can get. It smells seafoody. It's seafoody. There's a little bit more broth than on the spicy pork one. It's good, although it's missing something. Not spicy at all. I'm gonna dip in some vinegar. Wow, dumpling and some vinegar. Interesting flavors. The vinegar really reveals a lot of flavors in there. This vinegar is a bit strong. Kind of strong taste. It's good. That's it for today's Yum Adventure, guys. We hope you enjoyed it. We ate very well. We were stuffed. It was only 31 pounds, which is not too bad for three types of dumplings on one dish, which is good. Very good. Although for the Xiao Long Bao, we would have loved them to contain a little bit more soup, but otherwise, good value. See you later, guys. Peace.
Bye! Thanks for watching this adventure. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like and let us know how we did in the comments below. Consider subscribing to our channel to not miss our next adventures. We post a new video every Wednesday.